ORB review. Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Keiron Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm reviewing ORB. ORB is a software that gives you tons of traffic through Instagram, and the cool thing is it is done on autopilot behind the scenes. You can have other things running. It can go to any of your affiliate links, any of your campaigns, any of your e-com stores, whatever it is that you want. This goes live on September 8th at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time, so 11 o'clock a.m. And the front end is 17, but guys, there is also a discount and there are some other things as well, guys. If I just take you here, we've got the members area. I'm going to show you, we're going to walk through it. Plus I've got loads of great bonuses that are going to complement what ORB is, guys. But before we get into the members area here, let me first take you all over to my bonus page. We're going to learn a little bit more about what ORB is, and we're going to see all my bonuses that can help you as well, guys. So this is going to stay up until Saturday, September 11th at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so you've got time still. Now ORB is basically how they're driving free unlimited traffic to any offer in 60 seconds. This is very cool, guys. Like I said, you just click a couple buttons and it just does it for you. Pumps it out, boom, 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 boom. So you got 2 days, a little bit more until all my bonuses go away, guys. So don't delay, get this before it goes down. So Instagram software with 3 full case studies, guys. So this is being launched, by Jake Galbraith, Sid Red, and Bobby D. So they've done case studies as well, guys, to show you that this really does work. And yeah, these guys are awesome. They've helped me out as well on my journey through affiliate marketing. So these guys know what they're doing as well. So easily get free Instagram traffic to any offer with any new ability, not only to follow, but to direct message into users' mailboxes as well, guys. So you're going to be basically getting in touch with the people who are following the big super affiliates. Okay, so it's going to work really well. So guys, before we get into all the prices, let me first take you to, this is just a 51-second demo. Let me show it to you. This is done by Sid Red, one of the creators as well.
Hey guys, welcome to ORB. ORB is one-click Insta automation tool which not only gets you a lot of followers but also DMs your offers straight to their inbox. This brings in a lot of visibility and sales. Let's see how it does.
Okay guys, so you can see it does it in a really kind of not robotic way, kind of like what you would do if you were a human being doing it, how it follows. Very cool, and like I said, it runs all in the background, so you can be doing other things and you're getting all these followers and they're going to say, well, who is this guy? And then they're going to say, okay, we've got a product here, and then you can see all of these people. They're like, oh, this person also follows these super affiliates. Yeah, I want to make money online. Let's see what this affiliate offer is. Let's see what this product is, this promotion is, and they've got case studies to back it up, guys. That's the cool part. So I want to show you now how my bonuses can help you guys. So maybe this is a cool product that you're thinking about, but you're like, well, I don't really know that much about Instagram, to be honest. So I've included an Instagram basics for 2021. So Instagram has changed over the years, right? This is going to give you the cutting edge, up-to-date, easy to follow, newbie-friendly guide on how you can learn Instagram. So you're gonna walk before you can run, basically, okay? Even though it is very easy to set up ORB, still it's nice to have a few basics as well. So this is gonna help you out with that. Also, guys, you're gonna learn how to access ClickBank. So you're gonna want some affiliate links. You're gonna learn ClickBank is a platform that a lot of affiliate marketers use that have really good commissions. So this is going to teach you how you can use ClickBank and to set those affiliate links to give to your audience, and then they can click on it, and hopefully, potentially, you will make some great sales as a result, okay? And guys, bonus tutorial number, well, I put an extra one in there, right? This is number 3. It's 2 high quality traffic sources to use. So this is done by a 7-figure affiliate marketer, my mentor, John O. Armstrong. He's given me this bonus to help you learn also how you can find 2 great traffic sources to really get more traffic, and of course that can lead to extra sales. And guys, also a $10,000 case study. So you're gonna see that this really does work, these steps. If you just mimic these steps, follow along, there is no reason why you also can't have a $10,000 a month case study, life experience as well. This is really good. I've seen this many times, guys. Great information that I use as well. Also, guys, you're gonna get YouTube ads course, okay? So this is going to be in conjunction with your mobile phone, and it's very powerful. You can get a lot of value. You can make money every day from this, as so many other people have done as well. And of course, you're going to get lots of bonuses by the vendor Jake, Sid, and Bobby D. Okay, now guys, to claim any of those bonuses, what you would do is click on any of these yellow tabs, and then it will take you over to the sales page, which looks like this, and then any of these yellow tabs you would click on there, and it will then, see guys, this is something I'm going to show you as well. You can also get a $3 discount. Fantastic. So then you would click on any of those, and then it will take you over to Warrior Plus, which will look like this. You will get here to get your purchase, and then this blue button, you want to click on that, guys, and then it will take you to this bonus page. Now this link is going to be down in my description, so you won't lose where it is. It's the first link, okay, at the very top of my description. Okay, so you're going to get all of these bonuses as well. But now guys, let's just take a quick look at the sales page. Now as you can see, you're going to get this for $12.45 to just $9.95, okay guys? I'm sorry, I made a mistake. I said $17, excuse me. $12.45 to $9.95, okay? So erase that part. All right. And you know all this, and you can see this video on your own time. This is just the VSL. Okay, so easy automated system traffic and sales on automation, no website. So that's right, you don't have to be in front of a camera either. Get ultra warm or hot traffic. You can get all-in-one solution, so no autoresponder needed or hosting or monthly fees, but you can input your autoresponder into Orb as well, so you can keep and gather more emails as well, okay? Guaranteed, and there is traffic 24/7 support if you do get stuck in the weeds and you need some assistance. All right, guys, so all you gotta do is purchase it, activate it, and then start sending traffic on autopilot, like I said, right? So here they are, guys, Bobby D, Jake Galbraith, and Sid Red. These guys, they are becoming supreme affiliates in the affiliate marketing world. They've got loads of great products that they've launched in the past. This is another great one, and like I said, it's very easy. All right, guys, quite a big sales page here. We've got testimonials that I'll let you see on your own time. See where okay, so the bonuses, this is what I want to take you to, guys. So the 10 times training has been specially tailored to help you increase power of Orb. It teaches you how to set up a full-blown affiliate business online with everything covered and allowing you to 10 times your results. Okay, and bonus number 2 is the page builder software. So you can create beautifully crafted sales landing pages, opt-in pages, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on them, guys. So they've got your back. We're giving you exclusive access to a premium page builder. You don't want to miss that. Octagon, that is a product that Jake launched a few months ago. So you don't have a website or hosting, no problem. Octagon is a fully cloud-based and hosted for you review and blog sites for Warrior Plus and ClickBank, guys. That's a great bonus there. And the Insta Booster, so gets a boost of these videos on all things Instagram. These videos will cover everything on making money on social media platform, guys. So if you can learn how to use Instagram, there are millions of people out there, potential buyers, and this is going to help you kind of smooth out that learning curve to get more traffic, get more people on your products, your promotions, your links, etc. All right. Great, guys. So like I said, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, so you really have nothing to lose. And there's some frequently asked questions that you can see on your own time. But guys, let's go to the members area. First of all, here it is. You got the dashboard, the support, and the logout. You've got an introduction by Bobby D welcoming you. He's in mid-blink here, so not the most flattering, but that's just the way it goes on video. And you've got a welcome from Jake as well. And then the ORB main training. So this is the meat of it, guys. You got the overview, the ORB installation. They're going to show you how easy it is. It's just a Chrome extension. ORB following, ORB messaging, ORB hyper targeting, and the 100 commission bump, guys. So loads of information just on videos here. So if I just click on something here, so this is going to
Hey guys, this is Sid.
Sid's just going to show you how to do this.
How to install in the Mac.
All right.
You will come to this page where it says downloads, wherever the folder is.
Okay, Sid knows his stuff inside and out. Great teacher, so no worries there, guys. Following.
This is Sid. In order to put the main intention of Hogg,
So
Armstrong, and I need to follow.
So just showing you who you should be following and
We'll just
why.
wait for some time, then we move on to the.
And now the messaging, guys.
Hey, welcome back to the training. To just start the
So
business.
they're going to show you what kind of message you should be writing to get optimum feedback and also build leads. And then you've got the ORB hyper targeting, the 100% commission bump, and the case studies, guys. So they're putting their money where their mouth is. This is proven. Here we go. So we've got 1,000 followers on autopilot. How ORB made me $18.59, crazy money. Build your subscribers list. This was in a week as well, guys. 10 times your bonus training. So you got 10 times commissions, opt in with WordPress, connecting GetResponse to WordPress. So GetResponse is an autoresponder, so you can connect all your emailing links with your WordPress, and then you can just easier to mail things out, mail notifications out, just some information that you want people to know about. And then you've got ClickFunnels opt-in, ClickFunnels bridge, thank you page, ClickFunnels integration, email follow-up sequence, multiple link hack, guys. So there's lots of good information in here, plus with the bonuses that I'm sending away. So you've got thousands of dollars in potential value of bonuses and knowledge here for $9.95 once you get that discount code. And guys, bonuses, you're gonna get Octagon Instagram Booster right here. And then the upgrades, if you want the upgrades, you can get the Pro Unlimited, the Hyper Target, the Done For You, Reseller, the one-on-one coaching, and the white label rights. So you can really, if you want to do the one-on-one coaching, it will blast your knowledge super fast, and then you'll be ready to rock it on ORB. All right. Now, guys, let's just go over to the prices. So here's the funnel, guys. So the front end, $12.95, but we know that's going to be $9.95, right? So we've got the one upsell number 1 at 27, number 2 40, 47, 47, 97, 197, and 297 the white label license. So let's go through these quickly, okay? So the front end, guys, as you see, is $12.95. You access the powerful ORB software and training modules. Access the powerful ORB, traffic, hot leads, and sales on automation, but it is restricted to 50 followers and messages a day. If you get the upsell at $27, it is unlimited. All the governors are off, and you can just go mental on it, guys. So, but they do recommend that you should not use your original, your primary Instagram account, because there is a chance that maybe it will be flagged. So they do recommend they're going to show you how to use an alternative or like a secondary Instagram account. Okay, so this is the unlimited. You can increase your follow message rate and start driving massive traffic on a daily basis. The ORB hyper target at 47 with a downsell of 27 is reaching out to the laser targeted warm audience. So this is really what you want to be doing, finding people who are interested in buying or who have bought in the past, not just people kind of kicking tires, as they say, right? Finding the right audience based on their interest shown on the photo or video. So you're going to be able to hyper target guys what their interests are. You're going to people who have accounts about making money online, affiliate marketing, that kind of niche. These are the ones that's going to hyper target those kinds of people. That's what you want, right? Not people necessarily in the health and fitness or the relationship or something like that, right? And the Orb done for you guys, 47. So 20 done for you bonus pages for high converting offers sold on Warrior Plus. Make hundreds of dollars through the funnel per sale. This includes all the bonus pages and reviews for each offer. Just from a personal standpoint, you're getting a huge amount of time savings for this, guys. Doing a bonus review and a bonus page and a funnel and all that takes a lot of time. And if you can get 20 of them, that is a fantastic, that is taking days and days to do actually. So that is a lot of potential value right there. And the Orb reseller bundle at 97, so you can sell it, get 100% of the whole funnel. And the exclusive training at 197, one-on-one call with Jake and Sid for 1 hour, get all the help that you need, and also the white label license at $297. Turn Orb into your own product, so you can relabel it, relogo it, you can sell it as your own, and then you can make all the money as well, guys. So I think definitely the front end is a great value. The unlimited, so you don't have just 50 that you can send unlimited, I think is a great upsell in my opinion. Also the done for you guys at either one of these, number 1 or number 2, I think are also very valuable that you should consider. Okay, now let's just wrap it up here, guys. So it's an easy automated system for traffic and sales on automation. No website, no email or experience required. All the training is very clear in the members area. Ultra hot traffic from Instagram's 1 billion users, 100% free. Instantly access your dream. Okay, create online income on demand, make your own dream lifestyle. All-in-one solution, no autoresponder hosting or monthly fees, guaranteed to get big commissions. And guys, there is that 30-day money-back guarantee, and there's also tech support. If you are stuck in the weeds, you write a message, get a phone call, they will help you out. All right, guys, so this is something that is very, very powerful, harnesses 1 billion users of Instagram. So give it a shot at $10 at the very minimum front end. You're not going to lose out, guys. That's 2 coffees plus all their bonuses, all my bonuses. You're getting thousands of dollars of value. Click in that link, the top link down below to get started. And I want to thank you again, guys. If you have any questions about how to make money online, please leave it in a comment down below. Also like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell button, and I promise I will get back to you as soon as I can. This is Keiron Hogg signing off. Enjoy your day, and thanks for your time.